there! Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Lainey King, and I'm the founder of Roadmap to App, where we help startups and entrepreneurs affordably develop successful mobile apps. Now, if you've watched any of our previous videos, you might have come across one that was titled something along the lines of the very first thing to do when you have an idea for a mobile app. So I'll briefly recap that video for you, and then we're going to talk about the next thing to do, okay? The next and kind of the first thing to really get the ball rolling. So in that video, we talked about how the first thing that you need to do, as obvious as this sounds, is hop on Google and make sure that your idea does not already exist, y'all. That there's not already a mobile app out there for your idea, okay? Go in your app store on your phone, search your idea, your industry, and make sure that something does not already exist. You would not believe how many clients we have had consultations with, and in the consultation, I'm thinking to myself, wow, this really is a good idea. And so naturally, the first thing I do is hop on my phone real quick and check the app stores, and I'm like, did you realize there's 6 other babysitting apps already out there? And the person is, rightfully very upset, but they just got so excited about their idea that they didn't think to check if it already exists, okay? So please, make sure. The next thing, and like I said, the first thing to really get the ball rolling is to get yourself a subject to study, okay? And here's what I mean. I want you to go in the app stores, and I want you to find a mobile app, probably not in your industry, in your ideas industry, but that has similar functionality to how you envision your app functioning, okay? In our case, we have the Crawfish app mobile app that lets users see live and boiled crawfish prices in their area. I realize if you're not from the South, that sounds hysterical, but it's actually a very successful mobile app down here in Louisiana. So we wanted to find another mobile app to use as our study subject that also showed users prices, right? And preferably defaulted to the lowest priced in their area. And we came across the Gas Buddy app. So Gas Buddy is an app that will show you the lowest priced gas that's right around you in your area, or if you want to search by city or what have you. And so at that point, of course, we did not copy Gas Buddy's design. We didn't know how to copy their functionality, so that wasn't an option. But we did use them as a reference for how should this app be laid out, right? What our user interface could look very similar to this. How should users be able to filter on the Crawfish app? Well, let's see how Gas Buddy does it. Okay, well, yeah, that looks really great. Chances are Gas Buddy just spent a lot of money on their design, and so now we're able to use that as a reference for our design and our user experience as well. So not only did we use it in the refining phase, which is, in our opinion, the first phase of your app, right, where you have an idea, now it's time to refine the idea. So we were able to look at Gas Buddy, how do they make money? Hey, that's a great idea. Maybe we could do a similar revenue generator. But then in the design phase, we were able to say, okay, well, that looks really great. After you search, everything defaults this way. Let's do something similar. But our developer was extremely excited as well, because now, we shared our scope with him. We gave him our design files, but he was able to refer back to Gas Buddy and look at their functionality and understand, really grasp what it was that we were trying to accomplish with the Crawfish app, because he could see how the idea had been tested with gas prices. Y'all, even today, post-launch, the Crawfish app has been around for almost 5 years. We still refer back to Gas Buddy. Gas Buddy has just really taken off. It's at a whole new level now than where it was when we first started looking at them. But even now, I can go in Gas Buddy and say, oh, that's a really cool new ad space they offer to their advertisers. Let's see if we can do something similar on the Crawfish app. Or, oh, I love that new feature that they added. Let's do something similar on our app. We're constantly referring back to them to see how they're improving their app, and it inspires us to improve ours. So I want you to find this test subject and use it really for the rest of your app's life, constantly referring to it for inspiration, for new ideas. Of course, we, again, are not suggesting that you copy any part of the functionality or design but use it as a guide and reference. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? Thanks so much for tuning in. We will be posting more videos here on our YouTube channel at Roadmap to App, as well as Instagram and Facebook at Roadmap to App. And to get in touch with us, we'd love for you to visit our website, www.roadmap2app.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much.